latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
With the standout performance from Quinton de Kock, Mumbai Indians comfortably defeated Delhi Capitals by 5 wickets. With the win, Mumbai Indians are now top of the table with 10 points. Delhi Capitals electing to bat first lost Prithvi Shaw in the first over as Trent Bolt struck with his brilliant bowling. Rahane, who made his IPL debut for DC, joined Shikhar Dhawan in the middle and added 30 runs before Krunal Pandya got the better of Rahane for 15 in the fifth over. However, it was Mumbai Indians' Quinton de Kock who stole the show with his brilliant knock of 53 in just 36 deliveries. The South African starlet also hit 3 brilliant maximums, entertaining the fans with his brilliant knock. Quinton de Kock scored 53 runs in just 36 deliveries against Delhi Capitals in Abu Dhabi. In his innings, the charismatic South African smashed 4 boundaries and 3 maximums, while he registered a strike rate of over 147. Batting first, the Delhi Capitals set the target for Mumbai Indians to chase at 163. Defending the target of 162, Delhi Capitals held Mumbai Indians in the initial overs and did not give away any easy runs. Then came Quinton de Kock, who managed to push forward Mumbai Indians towards achieving the target. Mumbai Indians lost their skipper Rohit Sharma in the fifth over after he was holed out in the deep of Akshar Patel's bowling. The best bowler of the match was of course Mumbai Indians' bowler Krunal Pandya. Pandya played brilliantly and dismissed 2 Delhi Capitals' players, conceding 26 runs. In his quota of 4 overs, Krunal Pandya bagged 2 wickets at the expense of 26 runs against Delhi Capitals in Abu Dhabi. The Mumbai Indians bowler registered an excellent economy rate of 6.5. A tremendous batting by Mumbai Indians led to their victory over Delhi Capitals by 5 wickets. After the game, Mumbai Indians skipper Rohit Sharma hailed his team's performance. The kind of cricket we are playing gives us a lot of confidence. It's important to have momentum with us, and it was a perfect day for us, getting those crucial 2 points. We did everything right, but there are still some things we can improve on. We were good with the ball and restricted them to 160 odd. Clinical with the bat, but not so much towards the end. We need one set batsman to finish off the game in general, and some set batsmen got out today, and I don't want to point fingers because chasing has been difficult in this tournament. With a win over Delhi Capitals, Mumbai Indians are now at the top of the table with 10 points. However, the boys from Mumbai lead the table with an added run rate as Delhi Capitals too have 10 points of 7 games.